Welcome. This is Shrikant Valuru. Today we are looking at a use case wherein you will have API gateways being configured with a load balancer, and that load balancer is configured for your API product, which will take the request for your API and route ac- uh, across the gateways which are configured. This is just one of the way you can configure the API gateways in a combination. You can still have your external load balancer being configured in a different place and API gateways being configured in your private subnet. And there are other combinations still you can do in a hybrid model. With 3scale, you'll have all the options of configuring the API management and the API gateway configurations in a flexible manner. Here are the steps involved in this demo. First, we'll install the operator, and then we will see the steps to create the first instance of self-managed API gateway. Second, we will see the self-managed API gateway for second instance. Fourth, we will see the steps to create OCP route for load balancing, which will give you an option to specify the API gateways. And we will come back to 3scale product, specify the route load balancing URL. Next, promote your product API, which is used to configure the load balancing URL. And the last step is we will send out a request to the product API and check how the request is being sent out to the gateways which we configured. First step is installing the operator hub. You go to the OCP console, go into your project which you created. In this case, it is 3scale gateway. Go to operator hub, type 3scale. You'll get Red Hat integration, 3scale Epicast gateway. Select this as because of time constraint, I have created the setup earlier. You will have an install button here. Click the install button. You'll have the operator ready and you'll see an entry here. Once the operator is ready, go and create your first instance. Here you'll have the first instance configuration. Give the name for your first instance and provide a secret. This secret, we will see the command in the end, will capture the access token for your 3scale API and the 3scale URL. Once you provide the secret, click create. It will create the instance. You'll see an entry in this Epicast for your first instance. You do the same thing for your second. Create Epicast, provide your second instance, and create a new secret. This is captured in the steps. And the new secret will still have the same credentials as mentioned in the previous secret. There is a limitation right now that each API gateway needs to have its own secret. Then create, and you'll see a second Epicast instance installed. Once you have both of these Epicast API gateway instances, you will create a load balancer. For that, go into networking and routes, create route, give your route name, Host name is left empty for the purpose of the demo, and OCP will take care of giving the host name. You select the first gateway and mention 50 as a weight so that this gateway will get the equal amount of requests. Then select second gateway and again give 50. So once you provide this configuration, you'll select 8080 where the requests are being accepted and you say create. So once you create the route, you would see an entry like this, which will have the route name and the location for this and the load balancer URL. Copy this URL, go to your 3scale dashboard, go to your product, integration, settings, and select Apicast self-managed and copy the URL which you saw in the OCP for the route. Copy here and click update product. Once you click update product, you'll need to go to the configuration section, promote the API. I'll change something here. Click the update product. Yeah, let me change something else, which will say, let me see if it is accepted. Could not update product. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I mean, you will, once you give the URL, you will update the product and go to your configurations. Here you will see an option to promote the product. Click the promote option and you will then see a curl command which will give you the sample URL to test out. So copy this curl command, go to your terminal, run the curl command, and you'll see that the request is sent out to one of the gateway, and the gateway IP is 119. And now run the command again. Now you will see it is sent out to another gateway 226. Let's send third one. And now again it is 226. And let's send the fourth one. Now it is 119. So you can see the curl request is being sent out across all the gateways that you can verify going to your parts where these are the parts. So the first one, this is one of your gateway and this is your another gateway. So go to your part and to the logs, you can see there is a request received here. And the same thing, you can see, go to another part and you can see that there is a request received here. So this is how you would use the load balancer as part of your API gateway configuration, which can help you in balancing the load across your gateways for your API manager. Thank you. Thanks for watching.